my hair did essentially turn out kind of similarly to the model that they used. Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome, and if this is a returning time to my channel, does that make sense? Welcome back. So today's video is going to be on this lovely kit right here. It is the DEVACURL Super Curly Care Kit. Now I bought this in New York for $48 and it says that the US value price is actually $78, so it's a bit of a discounted price. This pack right here is intended for us type 4 curlies. It's very obvious from the packaging who it's intended for, which I think is a very good thing. So I have never tried out DEVACURL products. Over on my Instagram I asked if anybody wanted to see a review of these products and the response was yes, we want to see how it works on type 4 hair. So if you'd like to see the review, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. And I must say, before giving my final thoughts, that these thoughts are actually a summary of the last 4 wash days that I've had, because I have been using these products for 4 washes. So starting off with the first product, which is the Wash Day Wonder. I love this stuff. It made detangling my hair a breeze. I was a bit worried because I was looking at the size of this thinking, I don't know if that's really gonna like go through my whole head, but it did. The whole pack went through my hair. That's a pro and a con. I would usually think that something that's bigger than, I would need something bigger than this to go through my whole head. I didn't. However, this only lasted for 1 detangling session. So it has an amazing slip. It made detangling a breeze, but yes, it only lasted 1 detangling session. Of course, this is a sample size, so fair enough. It did work as a sample. I do love it though. It works. It really works. Next, the No Poo Decadence and the One Condition Decadence. So these are the 2 full-size products in the pack. This is down to about here. So I might still be able to get maybe 1 or 2 washes out of this. The One Condition is down to here, but I did basically use it to co-wash 1 more time than I used this. First of all, what I will say is for the No Poo Decadence, using this was beautiful. It was a beautiful experience. It helps that it just has a really nice, very gentle fragrance, which I really love. It's very milky. I didn't think it was really going to get my hair clean. I was a bit skeptical, but it did actually get my hair clean. It kind of has a very slight kind of foaming sensation on the scalp, but not to the level of like sodium lauryl sulfate like suds. If you're not careful though, because it doesn't have suds like that, it might use a bit too much. It's very tempting to just dash more in your hair just because you just love how it feels. There was no residue on my scalp, no residue on my hair. My hair was just clean and nice and soft. This stuff, I love it. The One Condition Decadence, you can use it to condition after a wash. You can also just use it as a co-wash if you want, because I tried it out once as a co-wash. It was beautiful. I actually, when I used this as a co-wash, I didn't even detangle my hair with a comb. I just used just this and just detangled my hair in the shower. That's how nice it was. When I finish using this, I've noticed my shrinkage is on 10. And I think most likely it is the protein in it. Hydrolyzed quinoa. So if you're not aware, but basically hydrolyzed ingredients means that the molecules are small enough to really penetrate your hair shaft. This quinoa protein does go into your hair. It will make your shrinkage pop, which is not a bad thing, because generally speaking, whenever my shrinkage goes on 10, it means that my hair really loves the product and that the product is a strengthening product. So even though it is gentle, it is very strengthening on the hair, which is good for my hair because number 1, my hair is medium to high porosity anyway, and then secondly, my hair is bleached. The slip that this product had was beautiful, and no, it wasn't a silicone based thing, because this product range has no silicones in. If your hair is low porosity or if you're a bit protein sensitive, you may want to beware of this. And the shampoo does have it too, so just to make you aware. Now, the leave-in conditioner. I liked it, but I would say most of it was gone by the time I finished my first hairdo with it. because I like to be generous with leave-in. Thankfully, I had some other sample packets that I used for subsequent washes. So yeah, I mean, I would have to get a bigger one of this, but of course it's a sample size. However, generally speaking, I would say it's a decent leave-in. It left my hair feeling basically soft, nourished, and in good condition. I liked it. Now, the super cream. All I have left of the super cream packet is this. Because of course this lasted like two good washes. Of course, again, sample size, and then I had to cut open the packet the last time I used it for this hairstyle. This was lovely. It's a very nice complement to the leave-in conditioner. It is creamy, but it's not overly heavy, so my hair didn't feel really weighed down after using it, but my hair did feel nourished and moisturized. What I will say about combining the leave-in with this super cream, the results that you get are not really, from what I can tell, really intended to give you extra defined curls. If you're looking for more defined curls instead of like a fluffy defined texture, then you might want to combine this with maybe another DEVACURL product. But basically these are the results. My hair is, you can see, like, we have some like very light curl definition, but overall it's just very fluffy afro textured hair essentially. I am very happy. My hair feels lovely and soft. Now, I did try that combination together of the leave-in and the super cream to do a twist out. It gave me a really lovely twist out, but I will say that the hold is not very high. So again, I think the focus is a little bit more on the moisturizing side and not on the actual hold and definition side. Generally speaking, this range is more of a protein-based range. If you know anything about protein-based products, they essentially strengthen your hair, but they don't necessarily moisturize your hair long term. What you need to do in your hair care routine is balance out the protein and the moisture. Too much protein will make your hair hard and crispy and dry. Too much moisture will make your hair mushy and soft and without any real strength. So you need to balance the two. So I've been using this range for the past 3 or 4 weeks, and now of course this has given my hair strength. My shrinkage is popping. I wouldn't say that using this over a really long period of time is going to make your hair soft all the time. You don't want to overdo it. You definitely need to balance this out with some products that don't have protein in them so that you get more of the moisturizing benefits. If your hair is low porosity, you may want to pick and choose which DEVACURL products you use, especially the ones that I've reviewed here. So my final thoughts. I really love this range. I like the fact that it's very clearly aimed at type 4 hair. If you prefer to use products that don't have silicones, etc., then this would be a good product range for you to go for. Generally speaking, I really loved using these products, especially the shampoo and conditioner. Like, I was just in the shower living my best life. It was amazing that they're kind of put in a very clear system, so it's very easy to use in terms of knowing like what follows what. I think having something that comes in a box like this is very useful. You get full size of a shampoo and conditioner, and you get to try out a couple of their other products and see how they work for you. And I do think that $48 is not bad considering the general prices of DEVACURL products. My hair did essentially turn out kind of similarly to the model that they used. It's an accurate representation of the kind of results that you should get from these products if you have type 4 hair, which is a really good thing. So essentially, curlies, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my review. If you really like this video, then please give it a very big thumbs up. Also hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. I love doing product reviews. If you have any more suggestions of products to review, then please leave them in the comments section below. Have you ever tried DEVACURL products? Would you ever try them? Especially if you have type 4 hair, let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments and responding and just getting a discussion going. Thank you so much. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.